chances. Here's Jordan Salvador. At kanina pa talaga sila nagtutulakan dito ni Terrence Leather. Terrence Leather through the ball at Jordan Salvador. And Terrence Leather is going after James Yap. Oh, Enrico Villanueva is being restrained by Ali Peak. And the entire Pure Food squad is getting on the case of Terrence Leather. And Ali Peak at hindi pagtulakan. And boy, cooler heads have to prevail here. That's Ali Peak and Rob Scott. At, somebody has to pull Terrence Leather aside here. And somebody has to tell the Pure Food squad to also cool it. And now both teams have to be restrained here.
And what action, outside of the real action we're seeing here. Luckily, cooler heads like RP team teammates Kirby Raimundo and Reverend Ritualo. Teka, ito, kahit maliit din ang ating venue, may nagtatapo na po ng...
And nagsimulaan lahat yan doon sa tulakan ni Jordan Salvador at ni Terrence Leather.
At tama naman, naibigay mo yung foul eh.
And then there was a foul, and then all, mayhem broke loose, and all hell broke loose, and Terrence Leather threw the basketball at Jordan Salvador.
Threw it back actually, because it was actually Jordan Salvador.
And Terrence Leather has been ejected from the game.
And that would be the second time we've been ejected. And I think more fines will be given this guy. Well, eto, reviewin natin yung ating nakikitang action. As usual, nag-focus yan ito si Jordan Salvador and Terrence Leather for the position. Eto dito, nag-iyawan na yung mga tao. No foul was called yet. Pero ito, a series of bumping. Bang! Bang! And finally, the foul was called on Terrence Leather. At dito, nagkagirian na po. Pero hindi pa yan. Ayun, binato yung bola. So, ito, madami nang si James Yap, makikita natin mula sa likod. May ibinigay na konti kay Terrence Leather. Hindi rin nagustuhan yan. Ipapasa mo na yung bola. Bibigay mo na yung bola, pero ibabato ito. Technical foul na kagad ito, hindi na to. So, technical foul na rin. Actually, yun. Sumayin na si James Yap, nakakita, hinabol. Hindi hinabol, pinipigilan na siya. Pero, si Rico Villanueva, mamaya lulusog na dyan. Ayan, nakakita natin kanina yan. Si Rob Sanz, ito. Aba.
Ayun, malino. There was a karate kick coming from James Yap from behind. At biglang hinabol ni Terrence Leather. At ayan na, dito na nagsuguran sa court yung mga basketball players natin. Yeah, Robstand, nakikita yung Robstand. Getting in the middle of the action there. And you can see Renner Ritualo trying to pacify everybody here.
At si Alupik, natatawa ko yung Alupik eh. He's trying to restrain all the attackers of the Pure Food.
Kaya naman eh, kaya.
Really, cooler head. Ito si Alupik. Ito, makikita po natin. Same, another angle. Pero dito, ito, tayuan pa rin po dito. Ayun, nagsimula sa batuhan. So, kailangan ating emosyon. And why not, Nico? Ika nga, ang matatalo dito.
That's right. Perfectly understandable. Both teams are really intense. Everything on the line here. Lahat ng pinaghirapan nila para dito sa Fiesta Conference nakataya sa larong ito. Winner goes home. Loser goes home. Winner moves on to a knockout game on Friday dito sa Inares. So, ito, hihintay natin, ang hatol ng Supreme Court. Initially, there was a personal foul against Terrence Leather. Then, he was ejected for throwing that basketball at Jordan Salvador. But, as you know, and as you saw, ang daming sumubok.